The ongoing missile war between Israel and Gaza opens up another aspect of reflection. What other weapon besides the Iron Dome air defense system does Israel use to oppose Palestinian missiles? The Iron Dome air defense system has a relatively wide range of coverage, from 4 to 70 km. If Israeli anti-aircraft batteries miss a missile, which weapon can be used for a range of less than 4 kilometers? Isn't this Iron Beam? Iron Beam is an Israeli air defense system operating on the principle of directed high energy, or better known to the public as a laser. The range is minimal up to 7 km, which corresponds to the condition that a Palestinian missile is missed from the Iron Dome. Since the middle of last year, the Iron Beam has been part of the armament of the Israeli Defense Forces. The system is presenting as the fifth beam of the entire Israeli defense, including air defense systems Arrow 2, Arrow 3, David's Sling, and Iron Dome. According to available information, Iron Beam has to deal with missiles, drones, artillery shells, mortar shells, or anything with a concise range. The Israelis say that the Iron Beam uses a high-energy laser beam. This type of air defense system has significantly less cost than traditional ones, can be used very often, and should destroy enemy ammunition and missiles within 4 to 5 seconds. Israel is generally always thrifty on such information. We witness that even transactions between Israel and an external client are rarely made public. But when a weapon is successful, even a country like Israel would present it during actual hostilities. Russian military analysts say that if Iron Beam is currently involved in Israel's defense line, this laser air defense system has failed. Moreover, the Palestinian missile attack shows that Israel alone would intercept almost everything, but in an intense and massive attack, it will not cope. It is too early to talk about the failure or success of this Israeli laser. A similar opinion was expressed by the American weapons expert Mark Episcopos in one of his articles. Jerusalem recently invested in Iron Beam, a laser air defense system that promises to strengthen the constraints of the Iron Dome, but it's too early to assess the effectiveness of Beam's battlefield fully. Thank you everyone for watching this video.